Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the best homemade pizza sauce at home, and you guys won't regret this pizza sauce. It's the tastiest pizza sauce you'll ever have. And before you even start, please make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and let's just get right into it. So guys, I just boiled my tomatoes, and you want to boil them for like 3 to 4 minutes, and when you notice the skin is peeling off inside the sufuria, that's when you take it out. And after taking it out, I'm just removing the upper part, and I'm just going to put it in my blender. And then take the water that you used to boil the tomatoes and just put a little bit of it and blend that out. And after blending that out, take your sufuria, put in some oil. This oil is going to be used to make our pizza sauce. And you guys, please make sure to check my do-it-yourself mozzarella and do-it-yourself mayonnaise. These are my steps to having the best, easiest homemade pizza sauce at home. I'm going to link them up there and when the video ends. And then you guys, have just added some onions. And after adding the onions, you want to add some garlic in it so that they can cook together and all of them turn brown, goldish brown that is. And then you're just going to wait for it to cook. And after it cooks, you guys, you take the tomatoes that you blended out and just add them inside. Then stir them for a little bit, and then you're going to add some salt and some chili. This chili is the key to getting the best sauce, and the garlic too. They are the keys to getting the best pizza sauce. And yeah, you're just going to let it cook for a while, and when it reaches the consistency that you want, you can take it out. So basically that's it, you guys. Please make sure to check out my other episodes in this series to the best homemade pizza, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure to subscribe and like and press the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.